So in today's video, I have a new unboxing. Is the beautiful box that subscribe. What are you waiting on? Please go ahead and hit that subscribe bell. Hey lovers, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time, my name is Shelly, and to all my oldies but goodies, it's always a pleasure having you. So today I have another bougie on a budget video for you, and I will be showing you this piece that was sent to me by bagsaaa. I've worked with the company before. I love their products, their pieces. Chef's kiss. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Please go ahead to hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on your post notification bell so you're notified each time I upload a new video. And don't be stingy. Share this video with your family and friends so they can enjoy what you are enjoying on my channel. Without any further ado, let me get into this unboxing. So this is the beautiful box that the bag came in, so nicely packaged. It came in the Louis Vuitton box, also magnetic. Let me go ahead and take it out for you. It came with a dust bag, and on the front it says Louis Vuitton. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Showtime. Oh my goodness. Isn't this a beauty? Let me give you guys a close-up. So this is the Louis Vuitton Nice BB, and this is their vanity bag. It's also called your makeup bag or your toiletry bag. There's a lot of name for it, okay? But I like to refer to it as my makeup bag because that's the purpose that I'm going to be using mine for. Although I've been seeing the girlies using these bags as regular handbags. They do come in different sizes. This is the largest of them all. So I'm not even sure how they get away with using it as a handbag. It didn't come with a strap, but I guess you're able to buy the strap if it is you're interested in using it as a handbag. But this is my vanity bag, makeup bag / toiletry bag, and it is a beauty. I'm loving the monogram canvas. This is my favorite in the Louis Vuitton lineup of bags, especially when it comes to my makeup bags. And this is absolutely stunning. I'm loving the gold hardware with the zipper. It came with a double zipper. And this is what it looks like. Also on the top handle, we have gold hardware. This bag is absolutely beautiful. I've been eyeing this for a while, and I knew I had to get my hand on this piece. And here we are today. Like, it's here. It's in my hand. I love it. But loving the top handle. On the top, we do have the Louis Vuitton Made in Paris stamp that's on there. I'm also loving the vachetta trimming that's on the top of the bag. Also on the bottom, we have that trimming going all the way around as well. Pretty simple, but very chic. Love, love, love. And this bag is huge. The size, ooh. Finally, I will be able to travel with all my full sizes products, especially when it comes to my makeup. And that is what I'm looking forward to the most, believe me. Okay, so this is the inside of the bag. So gorgeous. There is a ton of space. I hope you guys are seeing this. Also have a pocket on this side. Also came with the Louis Vuitton stamp on the inside, made in Paris on this side. On the inner side of the bag, you also have another small pocket that you can store, you know, compact mirrors and stuff like that. But this part is my favorite part. So in the top of the bag, we do have, I want to call it a treasure chest. And this is going to be my private compartment, meaning I don't think anyone would go looking for anything up here. So I think I'm going to use this section for my tinier jewelries and stuff like that. But this bag is so spacious. You can hold a ton of stuff. It is very lightweight as well. It's not heavy at all. And this is it for my new beauty. Isn't she lovely? Love. So guys, I do have a discount coupon code that I'm gonna leave in the description bar for you guys to use. Please take advantage of that. Save some money, save some coins, right? Remember, we are looking fabulous on a budget, darling, okay? And if you're looking for a travel piece, a bag that can hold all your hair products or makeup, then this is the bag for you. Bags AAA, thank you so much for sending me this beauty. I love it. This is gonna be one of the pieces that I cherish the most. Love. So that is it for my unboxing of this beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.